Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your date of birth on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok and click on profile in the right bottom corner and click on three bars in the top right and click on settings and privacy, and here you need to scroll down and click on report a problem. Once you are here, you simply need to you simply need to go and click on account and profile. Once you are on that page, you simply need to click on you have to click on manage account, and here you simply need to click on editing profile and click on other, and here you need to mention to the TikTok team, click on no first and click on need more help, and here you need to mention to the TikTok team that I want to change my date of birth, and here you can attach screenshot as well, and the TikTok team will contact you within 48 hours and help you change your date of birth. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.